Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. In today's video, I will be doing my morning routine plus cooking. So stay tuned and continue watching. So first off, I open my blinds to that beautiful morning sun. Then I'm gonna go right into my morning routine. So once I'm done tidying my bedroom, I move straight to my living room and I'm gonna do the same thing, open my blinds to that beautiful morning sun, and then I'm gonna go right into my morning routine. So now I'm doing my daily hygiene routine, get myself prepared and get myself ready to take on my daily task. Now I'm using my Metasol medicated face soap to cleanse my face. Once my face is all clean and moist, I'm going in with my exfoliating face scrub. Now I'm going to moisturize my face with my Clinique Oil Control Moisturizer. And of course, I have to moisturize my lips. So continuing my daily routine, once I start sweeping, I know I'm almost there, I'm almost done. So I'm gonna sweep my bedroom, the living room, the balcony. Once I'm done sweeping, it's time for me to prepare some breakfast. So now I'm going in with my Glade lavender and vanilla air freshener. This is one of my favorite air freshener to use in my bedroom. So once I'm done tidying, I just top it off with some nice air freshener. So I'm always having this problem with my palm tree turning over. Anyway, it's time to get her up and water her and continue with my daily routine. So now I'm in the kitchen and it's time to prepare my breakfast. So for today's breakfast, I'm making ackee and saltfish with yam, banana, and some dumplings. So that's it for Vlogmas number 3. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit that post notification bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you all for watching again, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.